Hello everyone, my name is Omar Abdelwahed. I'm the co-founder and CEO for Valify Solutions, a RegTech and identity gateway provider here in Egypt. So I'm here today to talk to you about digitizing and sharing KYC for capital markets. Sorry about that. Okay, so the main problem we're trying to solve here is the inaccessibility to financial services, mainly in the capital market, due to the high friction in the customer registration process. Of course, such a solution would require it to be accessible, seamless, and of course convenient. At the same time, it needs to be secure due to the fact that there are widespread of digital threats. Just some quick numbers: only 36% of the MENA region population have access to financial services, and only 9% of the MENA region population has access to credit. At the same time, fraud losses grew up to 15% in 2019, and they're expected to reach $25.6 billion in 2020. So the solution needs to be dynamic, accessible, at the same time secure, and this is where Valify comes in. So what Valify does, it provides an eKYC solution that is mainly built on AI technology, and this includes a series of steps such as document validation and data extraction from official documents, facial and liveness detection, and of course phone number verification, which I think, and we support the logic behind. Phone number verification strengthens the entire eKYC process, and I'll talk more about that step in general. So our solution is API and SDK based, so it can be plugged right into the application for any financial service provider, whether it's a brokerage or any other sector. So any digital channel. The first step is document verification, information extraction. Second step is live detection to make sure that you're not an image or a video and you're a real live individual. And then we take that selfie compared to the document from the first step. And in the third step, we have what we call a phone number correlation with the national ID. So the entire eKYC process we've built is built upon the first physical interaction you made with your telecom operator while buying your SIM card physically, which requires by regulations here in Egypt, you need to be physically present in the branch. This slide just to show you how the actual experience is on. This is our actual application. So on the left, you have the national ID capturing and data extraction. On the right, you have facial recognition and liveness detection. Over the past year, we've been the first to go live in the regulated market. Under the support of the central bank, we've been working with Ahli Bank of Kuwait on their mobile wallet solution. So full eKYC registration for that. Hopefully soon we'll be live with Bank to Care and Vodafone. We've also worked with the capital market. So we're working with a brokerage called Thunder here in Egypt. They're purely digital and mobile first. We're also working with consumer finance fintechs, and lately we've also integrated with insurtech companies. Overall, our team has extensive knowledge in machine learning, infrastructure technology, and fintech, commercial and business development, and of course legal. Valify started off end of 2017. By beginning of 2018, we shared the idea with the regulators here in Egypt. Valify was officially born on 2019. Right now, we're saying that we're setting the stage, making sure the technology is good. We're iterating on the technology, and by 2021, we're planning on scaling substantially. Our business model mainly relies on a per user registration, so per identity check, and of course, we're talking about infrastructure deployment that we can support on cloud, on premise, or even on soil with our own servers here. Sticking to this slide, we're just mainly going to cover the main partners we need to work with, such as regulators, and of course focusing on our customer segments, which are financial service providers, peer-to-peer networks, sharing economy, telecom service providers, and so on. Our revenue stream mainly revolves around monthly subscriptions and yearly subscriptions. Our go-to-market plan is quite simple. Hit the market fast, iterate, make sure the solution is stable and is seamless and also secure with the approvals of regulatory bodies here in Egypt. In terms of our digital marketing and social media strategy, we're focusing on SEO and website channel and social media, of course, based on analytics and reporting of customer engagement. In terms of financial, the first 2 years have a negative balance, and starting year 3, hopefully we'll be moving forward with a bit of cash and profit step by step. Thank you so much, and let me know if you have any questions.